In this video, we're going to talk about the users in your WordPress site. So on your dashboard, go ahead and click on Users. Now you'll be taken to a page where it lists all of the users in your WordPress site. You'll be able to see which ones are the administrators, and you'll also have an option to add new users. Let's go ahead and click on Add New. So let's go ahead and add a new user. Please take note that you will not be able to see the characters that you are entering in the password field. And since you need to retype the password on the second box, or the box that says repeat password, please make sure that what you are entering in the password and repeat password boxes are the same. Now, it is advised that you put a check mark on this box that says send this password to the new user by email. And for the roles of the new user that you're creating, currently we have several here. You can go ahead and click on the help link here. Then click on Overview or User Roles to know more about the user roles that you'll be assigning. Once you're done, click on Add New User. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.